So for cutting the holes in the sheathing, we've been using hole saws that are 1/4 inch bigger than the duct size. So in this example, we've got a 6-inch duct, so we used a 6 1/4 hole saw. That's nice because it allows you to slide the duct in pretty easy, but it's not so big that you've got a giant void there around the edge that you've got to fill with caulking. In all cases, this is a 3/8 plywood, same thickness as our vertical wall furring, but we are actually creating our weather barrier here in line with our Tyvek, and so we are going to weather seal and adhere this, I don't know what to call it, wooden trim ring around our duct. The first step is we'll just center it, kind of eyeball it square, trace our outline here. Then what we'll do is we'll cut away maybe 1 inch in from that line all the way around. So what we're doing here is we're exposing the plywood, because the next step we're going to use the Barabond sealant, and the Barabond is going to adhere our trim ring to the sheathing into perpetuity, hopefully. So we're going to take a nice generous bead and we're going to run it all the way around here. And that's the beauty of the Barabond, is it's really tenacious and it has really good adhesive properties. So this is a really fat bead. Our trim ring is a 1/2 inch larger than the OD of our pipe. And the reason for that is we want to have a generous space here, 1/4 inch roughly all the way around, that we can fill and tool in that Barabond caulking. So this will just stay here right where it needs to be. I've lined it up on my original exterior pencil line. Can anchor it however we want. In this case, I've got some corrosion treated exterior screws.